Hey, so if your Bitly link shows as expired or disabled, yeah, that can be a big problem, especially if you're sharing it for business or campaigns. Maybe users see an error page instead of your content. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get your links working again. First, log into your Bitly dashboard and check the status of your link. It may be marked as disabled or inactive. If your link was disabled, yeah, it might be due to policy violations like spam or unsafe content. Make sure the original URL is still active. If the destination page is removed, the link won't work properly. If possible, try editing or reactivating the link from your dashboard settings. If the link was disabled incorrectly, contact Bitly support and request a review. If reactivation isn't possible, create a new Bitly link with a valid and safe destination URL. To prevent this issue in the future, avoid linking to restricted or suspicious content. And finally, keep an eye on your links and analytics to catch issues early. So that's how to fix Bitly link expired or disabled problems. One of these steps should help you restore or replace your link quickly. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Hey, so